welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. We all know the box. If you don't, you need to. Anyhow, we're gonna open this up and we're gonna see what's inside the box. I mean, I already know what's inside the box, but I'm gonna show y'all what's inside the box. There's my Abby. Don't know if you can see her, but she's on the floor because she literally always has to be with me. Sorry about that. I hit the camera. I'm gonna put the box to the side, get it out of the way. Y'all don't want to see the box. I know you don't. You want to see what's inside this box. Are you guys ready? I can't wait. This is Mona by Lynn. She's from last week's release, and I'm going to give you the details on my order. So I ordered her on release day last Saturday, which was May 23rd. It was shipped out May 24th, which was a Sunday, so technically it was to leave on Monday, which ended up being Memorial Day. So it started moving Tuesday and it got to me yesterday, which was Friday. So technically it only took a couple days, which I know that they ship from New Jersey and I live in Southern California, so I'm actually pretty impressed with how quickly I got it because, you know, the pandemic and everything, things are moving at an ultra slow rate. It's insane. Anyhow, she was $39.99. I did have a code, so I didn't pay $39.99, but that's how much she was. She did sell out, and I know they do restocks as often as they possibly can. So the best thing to do is sign up for the alerts. You'll get a notice saying that they're back in stock. I know you want me to quit talking so you can see this. So, toolkit. It is a round, so you will not get any tweezers. I'm trying to get this in the right lighting. I know my lighting is not working out very well right now. So it does come with a magic applicator, which is the pen. It comes with a squishy, which is the comfort grip, 2 wax pads, a tray, a multi-placer, and it does come with baggies as well. We're going to get that out of the way because we don't want to see the toolkit. See this. Look how gorgeous she is. I am so excited. She does have 33 colors, and it has 3 ABs. Wowzer. This thing is crazy. If you don't know what ABs are, they're Aurora Borealis drills. They have a special iridescent coating. It makes them shine a little more than the regular ones. It also reflects light off of the regular ones, which ends up making them shine even more. So this thing is going to sparkle like nobody's business. So let's get on to the details, and then we'll pull out the canvas. It is a 61 by 41, so it is not huge, but it is a decent size. Like I told you when I ordered it, when it was released, please sign up for her if you want her. Sign up to get her as soon as they come back in stock. These colors are going to be amazing together. So we're going to go ahead and get to the business. They did send the paper, so if you like that paper, she came with it. The other thing I didn't mention is she came in the new box, so it does have the circle and it says round diamonds on the box. If you're like me and you have your storage set up, I will try to remember to put a picture in here that shows kind of how I set mine up. It gives you an indication if it's round or square from the box, which makes it kind of nice. I do know not all of them come like this, so just kind of be aware that they're shifting to this. Eventually, I think they're all going to come like this, and that, again, that's just my guess. But I'm really liking the new box. I'm going to spin her around so we can look at her the right way. Try and get her in the camera. Down here, it does tell you that it is a Diamond Art Club. In the view of the camera for you, sorry. It tells you the size and Lynn and Diamond Art Club. So I like that it tells you that. You do have your list here and over here. So no matter what part of the canvas you're working on, you're easily able to look at what color, what symbol, and the DMC number, which I really like because, again, this one isn't huge, but some of the bigger pieces, it's hard if you're shifting them, turning them, working on them upside down and all around. You can kind of have an easier viewpoint to find anything you want to see. So now we're going to get to this. We're going to pull this back a little bit. We're going to test the sticky, like always. Diamond Art Club never fails. I'm going to take a look at the drill field really quick. Look how clear those symbols are, if my camera will let you see that. So I don't think we'll have any problems at all checking out the drill field, the symbols. I think they'll be very easy to see. She is adorable. Her face is huge. I don't know if you can tell how big her face is, but it is just an absolute beautiful picture. Her cute little butterfly wings are right there. She's got some apples in the background. This is really cute for like a spring, summer type picture, in my opinion. I absolutely just love what they did, and as always, they have their shimmery canvas, and they are so soft. So everything looks really good on this canvas. I can't believe she has 3 ABs. So she's got some ABs in her eyes, and she has some ABs right here, and I can tell that just by looking at her face, because the ABs are going to be number 1, 2, and 3, and I see some 2s and some 3s right here. Not quite sure where the 1s are yet, but I'm sure we'll get to that in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over right now. This is super loud. I apologize. I'm going to get my camera to zoom just a tad bit to get onto the drills and see if we can get you to have a better look at the drills. So, okay, here we go. Please give me just a second to open this. I know it's super loud. There you go. Tried to be quick. So, we're going to start over here with it's almost a maroon color. It is 815. In the camera, it looks more of a brick red, but in person, it's more maroon. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pretty big bags of 310s. So again, we're living the 310 life. Then we have 754, which is kind of peach color. 321, really pretty red, another 321. 814, a deeper burgundy maroon color. We have 666, 699, 700. Those are really nice greens. I like when they do them just a couple, shades different. It really gives the illusion of more depth and highlighting, and I just love how it comes out. 742, 780, 758, 782, and 947. I'm going through those ones quick because we want to get to the good stuff. The ABs. So, all right. 445. 132. There's our first AB. Look how pretty that orange is. That's going to be so pretty. 890, 740, 783, so 3778, 894, 996, 3841, 134. There's another AB. That's the one that goes in our eyes. It's going to be so pretty. That one really just sparkles. 606, 3846, 3326, 356, 701, 3830, 3843, 141. There's the other AB. Oh my goodness. 300 and 775. So those are our drills. Perfect. I really want to find where the orange ABs are going to go. Might take me a few minutes, so I'm not going to bore you with all that, but this is going to be a gorgeous canvas. Like I said, it is sold out, If you really want it, please sign up to get the alert when the restock happens. I know they're trying their best, everybody is, so sign up. As soon as it comes back in stock, get your order in and get Mona. She is perfect. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day.